Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up QuickBooks API N8n integration settings. So let's get started. First, open N8n and make sure you're logged in. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a new node. In the search bar, type QuickBooks and select it from the list. You'll see a list of available actions. For this example, click Create a Customer to start setting up your workflow. Next, click Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Enter your client ID and client secret, which you can find in your QuickBooks developer account. Then select your environment, either production or sandbox, depending on your setup. Once that's done, go back and select the resource you want to work with. Then choose the operation you need, such as create, get many, update, or even a custom API call. You can also enter a display name, like QuickBooks, to help identify your integration. After filling in the details, go back, and you'll see that QuickBooks is now successfully connected to N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.